Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can possibly fix the OneDrive.exe entry point not found error. So let's get right into it. Of course, this is an error related to OneDrive, Microsoft's own proprietary cloud storage service, and for some reason this error might happen. I'm not sure for the reason of this happening. However, I have the Microsoft community answers open. As you can see here, I have a thread which somebody has started, and there is a suggestion of a fix which might work for you. So without beating around the bush too much, let's get right into it and see what this guy says. Now, as you can see, this guy says he gets this error and says he ran the config syscan and it did not fix the problem. Now, if this happens, you can of course always try and run the config syscan. If that doesn't work, you can try the following. Go and press the Windows R key and then type the following string to enter the to run this file. But yeah, press Windows key plus R, or you can just type in run in the search bar, and once you're here, just type in local app data, Microsoft, OneDrive, OneDrive.exe, and then /reset. Press the Windows key plus R again, enter the run again, and type the following, which is pretty much the same. Just do it a few times and then restart and try launching and signing in to OneDrive. If that doesn't work, you can try manually reinstalling. However, there is another fix. You can go into the command prompt and right click on the command prompt, select run as administrator, type sfc scan now and press enter, let the command complete, and then reboot the machine. If that doesn't work, search for the PowerShell. From results, choose the Windows PowerShell, select run as administrator, then type or paste the following and press enter. Repair Windows image, online restore health, let the command complete, then restart your system. If it still persists, then try the reset from the answer above. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.